Deep in a rainforest floor, a hidden web of microstreams carries nutrients between moss, fungi, and bacteria. A tiny exhale of water creates mist that stimulates secret circuits of slime molds to compete and cooperate. In this world, the smallest travelers, springtails and tardigrades, hitch rides along root hairs like silent couriers. Scientists learned that these damp networks act as memory banks, recording seasonal shifts and guiding plant sprouts for the forest's unseen choreography. When a raindrop returns, the forest listens, the micro rivers hum, and life quietly writes tomorrow's song.